Hello kids, welcome to the world of alphabets. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for frog, G for girl, H for hat, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for owl. Okay kids.